What makes Love Map so powerful? The reason the Love Map, specifically through its traffic light relationship framework, is so incredibly powerful is that it stops you from being a victim of your emotions and turns you into a master of emotional rhythm. Instead of blindly chasing someone, you learn to manage attraction, curiosity, and respect by understanding wayfinding or way in. It moves you away from predictable, one-sided patterns and toward a cycle of natural and reciprocal investment. Here is why this framework commands control. First, the ability to manage emotional dynamics. Most people fail because they try to force connection when it isn't ready. Love Map teaches you that predictability kills attraction. By knowing when to provide attention and, more importantly, when to provide distance, you create the psychological vacuum necessary for the other person to feel enough curiosity and longing to move toward you. Second, the cycle of power. This framework operates on a sophisticated cycle: attention, then emotion, then distance, followed by curiosity, and finally reconnection. This prevents you from being too available, which is the death knell of any romantic pursuit. It teaches you to protect your own emotional balance, ensuring you never lose yourself while trying to please another. If you want to master these dynamics, follow this step-by-step guide. Step 1. The green light phase. Start by being playful and mysterious. Do not reveal everything at once. Share unexpected thoughts and keep your energy calm and confident to spark interest. Step 2. The yellow light phase. Once interest is there, build emotional investment. Use active listening and personal compliments about their qualities, not just their looks, so they feel truly seen. Step 3. The strategic pullback. This is the secret sauce. When emotions or engagement are at their highest, pull back slightly. End a conversation while it's still good, or delay your replies. This creates the necessary contrast for them to miss you. Step 4. The red light or blackout phase. If they pull away, do not chase. If they enter a hard red light or blackout phase, respond with calm dignity. Give them genuine space. This tests whether their message is a mere test or a sign of genuine effort. Step 5. The verification. If they reach out, check if it's a low investment test, like a random, "Hey," or if it is genuine effort, such as vulnerability or reconnection. Respond calmly to tests and warmly but gradually to genuine effort. Beware the biggest mistake, the panic chase during a red light. The single biggest mistake people make is reacting emotionally when someone pulls away. When a person shows signs of emotional withdrawal, the instinct is to beg, argue, and increase contact to fix it. Doing this actually reduces attraction further. Instead of chasing, you must do the opposite: step back and show self-respect. Silence and space are your most powerful tools to reopen interest. As a final word of wisdom, never let your way into someone's life be so loud that they can no longer hear your absence. If you are always there, you become background noise. To be a person of high value, your presence must be a reward, not a given. Remember this simple rule: distance creates desire. If there is no space, there can be no room for them to miss you. The key truth is that absence is most noticeable when emotions are strong. Use your absence strategically when the connection is at its peak to create a vacuum that they will feel compelled to fill. The golden rule is this: never chase, instead attract. By managing your own emotional stability and way of being, you allow their investment to grow naturally and reciprocally rather than forced. The simple formula for attraction is high value and confidence plus strategic pullback equals unstoppable curiosity.